what's up? My name is Satyam and this is the continuation of previous tutorial. If you didn't watch the previous tutorial, then I recommend you go to back playlist and watch every tutorial from begin to last so that you didn't face any problem. If you are facing any problem, then please go to the description box and click the given link so that you can see every tutorial. Even if you are facing problem, then you can message me on Facebook so that I can tell you what will be its exact answer. So in previous tutorial we are talking about the array and this is the continuation of the previous tutorial. Let us start. So we were talking about the how we have to define an array. So in array that contains the character. So we are talking about the array. So here STYM that contains six character, and in the we have to define it similar like array. So first S after A T Y A M similarly, and in the last we have using a null termination so that because computer should be understand you have write only 6 word. If you will write more than 6 word, if you will not use the here null termination, then computer will not understand. It will be something, it will be other things maybe. So okay, I'm telling you something briefly. Let us so right here. Okay, so I'm going by pattern. Okay, suppose my name is Satyam and this is a what 10 told that we can enter only 10 character. If not we can't enter more than 10 character. That's why we are using 10. So here my name is only 6 letter, so I write here I write here 6, but someone name may be more than 6, more than 7, more than 8, so I write here 10. Suppose we are going for it and it starts from 0 to 10. So but here we already declare 10 words, so it will contain that space in memory, but we have to see that we are using here null termination so that we want to say the computer and after 6 words there are nothing. We have our name is only 6 words, so we are using here null termination. Okay, that's why so that computer can understand. Okay, and one thing more I am going to tell you. For the integer what we have to, when we use the scanf in the integer, then use the percentage d. But what we'll do here, so we will use here percentage what we will use here percentage yes as that right character. Okay, and the one thing more we have to know, when for integer we in scanf what we write, so we write like this something in scanf. So what do we do? We use here percentage d, but and we use after comma we use AND operator, and what that integer, suppose that integer x or y, then we declare that. But in the string we have not used the AND operator, because why? So when we study about the pointer, then I'll tell you why we are not using the AND operator there. So if we write any program about the string, then we have to understand about it, and then at that place we have to not use the AND operator. Okay, because that's string, so we are not using AND operator. And if that will be character, or if that will be float, or if that will be integer, then at that place we will use AND, but at this place we are not going to use it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like it, please subscribe it. If you are facing any problem, you can message me on Facebook so that I'll tell you what's the exact answer.